Transform your Excel skills in just 28 days. Master the foundation. Automate charts, formulas instantly. Unlock predictive modeling and advanced analysis. Complete the course and supercharge your productivity. Welcome to your 28-day journey to mastering AI in Excel. We will cover 4-week videos and a complete wrap-up. Note that this is an unofficial. Let's dive in and transform your workflows.
Every spreadsheet has that one formula nobody wants to touch. Claude for Excel reads it, explains it, and fixes it without you ever leaving the sheet. In the next 28 days, we'll go from your first question to a finished, real project, one small session at a time.
Let's start with day 1.
Week 1 is the basics. Opening the sidebar, asking your first question, and building the habit that matters most, checking Claude's work.
Claude for Excel is Anthropic's official Excel add-in, available on Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise plans. Install it from the Microsoft Marketplace, sign in with your Claude account, and you're ready. Your usage carries straight over from Claude.ai. The sidebar lives right beside your spreadsheet. Open it anytime with Control-Alt-C on Windows or Control-Option-C on Mac. Ask a plain question, and Claude answers with cell-level citations, pointing to the exact cells behind it, so you verify instead of guessing. Claude reads dependencies across every tab at once, so one question can trace a change through your whole workbook. Inherited a formula nobody explained? Select it and ask Claude to walk through it in plain English. Claude warns you before it overwrites anything. Even so, snapshot your file before a real editing session. 10 seconds now saves an afternoon later. That's week 1. Installed, connected, and asking the right questions. Next, turning those questions into real edits. Week 2 moves from asking to doing. Debugging, building, and editing real models. Point Claude at a broken formula and ask for the root cause, not just a patch. Change one assumption, and Claude updates every dependent formula. Nothing gets hard-coded by accident. Describe a mock in plain language, and Claude builds it. Real formulas, not placeholder numbers. Already have a template? Claude fills it in, respecting your structure and formatting. One instruction, every affected tab updated in a single pass. The habit that matters most, always verify the numbers. Treat every output like a strong first draft, not a final answer. Week 2 recap. You've debugged, built, and verified. Next, making it visual. Week 3 adds the polish. Pivot tables, charts, outside data, and working across apps. Describe the grouping you want, and Claude builds the pivot table. No field dragging. Describe the story your data tells, and Claude picks a chart that shows it. For finance-heavy workflows, Claude can pull external data through connectors straight into your model. Claude carries context across Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Build the numbers here, draft the summary there. Long sessions auto-compact, so you keep working without losing context. Upload a file, and Claude reads it alongside your open workbook, turning raw data into a formatted tab. Week 3 recap. From raw numbers to a dashboard someone else can actually read. Final week. The habits that keep this safe, and one real project, start to finish. Only use Claude for Excel with files you trust. A file from outside your organization can carry hidden instructions. There's no universal undo. Snapshot before every real editing session. Before you open Excel, write 5 lines. Your inputs, your output, your audience. Hand Claude the brief and get a working first draft. Rough is fine. You'll refine it next. Stress test it. This is the day it goes from working to reliable. Add the visuals that make it readable to someone who didn't build it. 28 days, one real project shipped. Keep the citation habit, keep the snapshot habit, and keep going. Here's everything in one place.
Control+Alt+C to open the sidebar. Ask a question, check the citations, adjust assumptions, debug, build, visualize, verify. Always check the numbers. Snapshot before big changes. Only use trusted spreadsheets. That's the full course. Save this video, share it with your team, and open Claude for Excel the next time a spreadsheet fights back.